Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to be we're going to do a daily dash. I'm driving to the gym. I got my pre-workout stuff, but also we got to react to this stupid article that just popped up. It's not stupid. I think it's actually kind of funny because I actually think this is very true. It's an article on Babylon Bee. I know I just watched a podcast the other day with the owner of Babylon Bee, and I don't really know what this website's about. I think it's like a funny, fake meme website or something. But I'm just going to read over this article real quick because I think this is so true in today's times. Man waits till Doordash driver well out of sight before emerging into sunlight to retrieve food. I saw that and I was like, I was thinking this earlier because I dropped off the order and then I don't know which dash or which daily dash this came out, but it's probably it was earlier today. Anyways, so I dropped off this food. I go back to my car. I'm trying to complete delivery, but there's no service. So I sit there for about 30 seconds or so. No one comes out to get the food. I'm sitting there I wonder if they're going to wait till I drive away. I drive away. I make a U-turn. I come back out and they're picking up the food. I'm I wonder if they purposely waited for me to leave. Because people don't want to come into contact. Maybe they're so afraid of that, what's that C word that I'm not going to use? You guys know the C word. It starts with a C and it ends with a D. People are so afraid of this that they literally, I don't know, don't come out of their house. And there's some people that I know that are terrified of this stuff, you know? It's true. It's a real thing. It's almost I'm not going to get into it too much because some people who watch this channel might be a little afraid of it. Unfortunately, or fortunately, I'm not. I've already had it twice. And the Omicron didn't even really affect me. But we're not going to talk about that. We're going to talk about this article. Local man Sambo Galish, I don't know what this is, slowly emerged from his home on Timrod Street yesterday afternoon to retrieve a sushi order that had been left on his porch. But only after he was absolutely sure that the Doordash driver had completely vacated the area. Unfortunately for the hungry man, the delivery driver decided to take a break, sitting in his car, playing Kingdom Rush on his phone for 20 minutes before finally leaving. Can you imagine if, your Doordash... This is obviously, I'm pretty sure, a joke article, but I think it's hilarious. Because some people would sit in their house and wait for 20 minutes before the Doordash driver leaves or something. Can you imagine if that was you and you're sitting there can this guy leave already, you know? But, and then it says his neighbors have said that he has become a ghost ever since the C word came around. Said next door neighbor Mark. I'm pretty sure they just make stuff up on this thing, but I think... Oh, and then it says Doordash CEO Jimmy Dash describes no contact delivery as one of the greatest advantages. Obviously, we know this is a joke, but I think it's hilarious because I think it's so true. Most people, when you deliver their food, they don't come out to pick up the food until you have left. And maybe it is kind of one of the newest, best things is oh my God, you moron. I wish I can show you guys this stupid motorcycle guy literally almost committed suicide right now. I was yeah, he's for sure gonna stop. And it's a stop for him. It's not a stop sign for me. This guy literally rolled right out in front of me with probably his girlfriend on his back, almost committed suicide. Thank God I was paying attention because this guy straight up rolled this red light. This red light, it's not a red light. I mean, this stop sign. There's a stop sign for him, not for me. I got totally sidetracked because this guy literally almost killed himself and his girlfriend. People don't pay attention. This is crazy. And for some odd reason, that little intersection by my house has an insane amount of crashes at it. All the time. People die right at that little corner because they don't stop and they just roll right through a super busy street like Silverado Ranch, like the one I'm driving on. Anyways, back to this article, but anyways, we don't really need to read the article because obviously it's a fake article, but I thought it was pretty funny that people, because it is true, you know, people are so afraid to come in contact with people that, I mean, I get it if you're at high risk or something, you know? But some people just watch so much CNN and the news and stuff that they are freaking terrified still. It's been like 2 years, guys. I think it's time to let up a little bit, you know? But some people, I don't know. I don't want to talk about this stuff too much because obviously I just got my views back because speaking of these words, in previous videos, got myself shadow banned, and I recently took down the videos, and then I got my views back again. Basically, there's a direct correlation with the day that I made that video and my views going straight down after, and getting a warning in a freaking email about putting out false information or whatever you want to call it. Anyways, I'll be right back. Today we're going to do an actual daily dash, and I'm going to wait until we get an actual dash, but unfortunately we still can't log in, so we're going to try to log in at the gym and hopefully get an order on the way back from the gym. But yeah, there's nothing available until 6 o'clock, which is not for another 4 hours because it's 2:20. Anyways, be right back. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. We just left the gym, went to the supplement store, got something called Recycle. It's the #1 recommended thing. It's like a test booster, estrogen reducer, kinda natural hormone boosting. I don't know, it's an all natural testosterone booster basically. Anyways, just felt like I needed to tell you that's what I got. And then I went to the gym, got a quick workout in, sat there, refreshed that thing for like freaking, I want to say it was like a solid 10 minutes. Finally get a shift. It says, it was basically like your shift starts in like 5 minutes. And then as I like get that shift, all of a sudden it just pops up red. I'm like, oh shit, like delete shift, try to log in right now. As soon as I go, the thing is not red anymore, so I can't log back in. I go back, I try to get my shift, I can't do it. Sit there for 5 more minutes, got a shift. But yeah, we got an order from McDonald's right now. $6.50 for 2.2 miles. Possibly a post tip. I don't know, probably not. I just turned down a very good grocery order though. It was from Albertsons. It was $17.50 for 2.4 miles. It delivered exactly on the way. It was from this Albertsons that is literally like right there in the parking lot, delivered to South Point Hotel and Casino, which was the main problem with it because I am terrified to ever have to deliver to the South Point Hotel ever again, because you have to, for those of you who don't know, I live right next to it, so it's very convenient navigation wise, but I've delivered to there before. You have to park so far away from the casino, then you have to walk like literally like a mile to get there. It is a nightmare, and on top of that I would have had to shop for the groceries, and I'm just sitting there thinking like, I just cannot do it. Like, I don't care, I just can't do it. I cannot ever deliver to the South Point Casino. Like, it would have had to say $30 in order for me to do that. $30 minimum. I just know like it's gonna take like over an hour, and I would consider my time to be worth about $30 an hour. You know, I don't really take anything less than that. But anyways, we're at McDonald's. We're taking $6.50 for something that is convenient, and on top of that, it is also delivering to a house, which makes everything so much less complicated when you're just delivering to a house. Anyways, I'm gonna go inside of McDonald's because this drive-through line is really long. It should be basically ready. My body feels like Jello because I just got out of the cryotherapy chamber. Every single time I get in that cryo chamber, I'm like, why am I paying $90 a month to freeze my body and torture myself? But when I get out of there, I'm like, oh man, I feel so damn good. And I always, for some reason, like there's part of me in my head that says, don't be a little bitch, always do it like on the most extreme temperature possible for the longest, which is like, I believe it's negative 180 degrees, and then it blows hot, like high winds at you, and there's like snow falling in the thing, it's like negative 180 or 200 degrees for 3 minutes 30 seconds. It hurts, but by the time you get out of there, you feel so damn good. Anyways, I'll be right back. Let's go pick up this McDonald's order. All right, just picked up the order. Oh man, my freaking mask just launched back there. Anyways, check this out. I was just talking about this the other day with the Five Guys orders, but when you hold a McDonald's, look, check this out. It's slowly ripping, you know? Like the bag is designed to mess with Dashers. Anyways, I just met Ramiro, who's a Dasher and Uber Eats guy at McDonald's. It's always super cool meeting people that watch the channel around on the Dashers. So shout out Ramiro. Anyways, he was a cool guy. But here we go. Let's go to where I'm a little. There we go. This name that I'm delivering to is like T-A-U-A. How do you pronounce that? Tau? T-A-U-A. It's one of the most unique names I've ever seen in my life. But, whew, anyways, my body is still shivering from that freaking cryo thing. Anytime you leave the gym, like right after you do cryo, and it's freaking, it's freaking cold in Las Vegas. So, doing cryo and then going out into the freezing cold temperatures, not ideal. Not gonna lie, I cannot wait until it is like 120 degrees every day again. Actually, no, I really don't like that, but I don't know, it's better than it being cold. I don't like it being cold at all. All right, be right back. Let me get on track. I gotta type in the directions and shit. Just wanna say, there's a problem with doing these videos at freaking 4:30 or 4:07. If I'm going one way, it's too dark. If I'm going the other way, look at this horrible lighting. It's either like I'm Casper the Ghost, it's white people problems, you know, or I'm like a shadow, like half of it. It's almost like I got like a, I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, I'm distracted. But back to Casper the Ghost, you know. This is like I'm the same exact color as my t-shirt. This is white people problems at its finest. Not being able to be seen when you're driving into the sunlight. Here we are. Look at this perfect lighting. You gotta just drive north. You know, sometimes I even think this in my head. I'm like, all right, gotta take orders that go north and south. That way, my camera lighting is decent. These are the things that go through my head. Very stupid, I know, but anyways. All right. Pulling up to Tao. How would someone help me with this name? T-A-U-A. Like, how do you say that? I don't get it, but anyways. Be right back. Oh yeah, we got a post tip, baby. An extra $1. Thank you, Doordash, for making my day by hiding money that I was already promised from me. Anyways, now we're gonna go head home. I'm got stuff to do today. Oh my god, look at this giant golden doodle. It's not really a golden doodle, I guess. Alright guys, check out this magic trick. Tanner Markley magic. Now you see me, now you don't. Now you see me? This isn't working as well as I imagined in my head. Now you see me? Now you, never mind. I thought it was working. I've worked with so many magicians, by the way. I know how all of the magician tricks work, but I'm not going to tell you how they work. But I've worked with so many like live magicians. Did I say musicians or magicians? Anyways, now you definitely don't see me. So, and we're driving west, east, west. That's west. Now we're driving west for a while. So I'm just gonna wrap up today's video right here. Thank you guys for watching. Obviously, I'm not even gonna touch the lighting. It is what it is. Anyways, make sure you guys subscribe and smash the like button so I can get more subscribers and likes and stuff and do all that. Yeah. Anyways, make sure you guys subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Smash the like button. Go to offaccessathletics.com. Get some of the skate shoes. They'll be here. I don't know. They're supposed to be here like tomorrow or something. They've been held up in Cincinnati forever. Anyways, get some skate shoes. Off Access Tanner is the discount code. We'll see you guys in the next one. I'm blind. This is dangerous. All right. Peace, guys. Okay, I don't know if this guy's going to continue to do it. I know he can't see me. But this guy on the motorcycle, can you guys hear that? Maybe not. I don't know. This guy's screaming at the top of his lungs. I don't know what he's screaming, but it's very weird and awkward. It's like maybe he's got like an earphone in or something and he's like screaming some kind of metal song, but it's freaking weird. I don't know what he's screaming, but it sounds very frantic and panicky. I don't know. There he goes. He's still screaming. Okay, that was very strange. Anyways. All right. That's it. Bye.